Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, today we are going to start a new chapter number 13. Why do we fall ill? Children, first, in this chapter, we are going to discuss what is health. Health is generally means free from illness, disease, injury, or pain, or we can say lack of physical fitness. But it is not the complete definition. According to World Health Organization, health can be defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, so that of an individual, it's a state of proper functioning of the body and mind. Thus, a good health increases our working efficiency and helps us to cope up with the social and mental pressure. So, children, what do you mean by the health? And what are the conditions required for a good health? As you are seeing in this picture, there are food and diet, exercise, family and the friends, sleep, stress management. All are the factors required. Along with this, food means balanced healthy diet according to the age and the occupation of an individual, and the self hygiene and public cleanliness is also required for a good health. Good economic condition and the better social environment is also important. Social equality and the harmony, and the clean environment, good habits, and developing body immunity. So, children, these are the important characteristics of a person having a good health: free from sickness and diseases, free from unnecessary anxiety, free from social and psychological tensions, self confidence, feeling joy in living, ability to work efficiently and its best way. So, these all are the important characters of a person having good health. Children, what is the health and their failure? Health, we already know the definition of the health. And what are the importance of a good health are? Good physical and the social environment, good economic condition, or the social equality and the harmony. All are important for good health. Children, next is disease and its causes. So, what do you mean by disease? Disease is a condition of discomfort, illness, or the health failure where the malfunctioning of normal state of the living body disturbs the performance of the individual, or we can say it refers to condition that disturbs the normal functioning of the body, which leads to certain changes that give rise to sign. So, children, these changes give rise to sign of the diseases called the symptoms. And we know on the basis of the symptoms, the physician look for the sign of a particular disease and conduct the test to confirm the diseases, like urine test, blood glucose level test, cholesterol test, BP measurement. All are the basic tests like blood test. Okay, so what are the causes? The main causes, there are two types of causes: intrinsic factors and the extrinsic factors. The intrinsic factors are malfunctioning of body parts, hormonal disbalance, genetic disorder, malfunctioning of immune system. And the extrinsic factors are inadequate diet, pathogens, environmental pollutants, chemicals, drugs, alcohols. So all are the extrinsic factors which causes the disease. So children, hope you are clear with this topic and you are clear what is the meaning of the health and disease. So thank you children. We will continue in our next class.